Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. Today I have two word problems from grade 8, and that is like division questions, but they are word problem. So we will solve these two words problem. I have 8 and a 3 by 4, 8 whole and a 3 by 4 kg box of apples, and want to pack 1 and a 1 by 4 kg of apple bags, right? So she has a big box of 8 and a 3 by 4 kg box, and I have, right? So, and then I want to pack smaller bags of 1 and a 1 by 4 kg, right? How many bags do I need? So that is the division question, right? Fraction division. So 8 times 3 by 4, I have kg, right? This much of apples. And I want to make a smaller pack of 1 and a 1 by 4 kg. So I have to divide with 1 and a 1 by 4 to get how many bags I need. So first step is to convert this into improper fraction. And the procedure is same. We have to multiply and add the numerator. So 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. So 35 divided by 4, right? And this remains same, and then we change this one into improper fraction. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5 over 4. And we learned that if we have a division, we can change that division sign into multiplication, but we have to flip the other fraction. So we have to flip this to change the sign. So I will be flipping it with the multiplication sign. So now I am putting multiplication and flipping this fraction to 4 over 5. Now I can cancel. It's simple because now I can cancel my numerators and denominators. So 4 cancels with 4 and 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So that means 7 bags I need. 7 bags are needed or required. So what we learn here is a division question, fraction division. 8 and a 3 by 4 kg box of apples, and want to pack 1 and a 1 by 4 kg of apple bags, right? So we divide and we get that how many bags we need. So 7 bags are needed. Now question number 2. Kathy has bought 3 pizzas. She saves half of the pizza for her family. So she save it and then serve each guest 1 by 6 of a pizza. How many guests are there? Again, first of all, we have to subtract because Kathy has bought 3 pizzas, right? So out of 3, she saves half pizza for her family. So that means how much pizza she's going to divide between the guests, right? How much pizza is she dividing in between the guests? 1 by 6th pizza to each guest. So that means I have to subtract first half pizza because she's saving it. So I have to subtract that. You can subtract it separately or you can make the equation like this. 3 minus half divided by 1 over 6 because she is serving 1 by 6th of a pizza to each guest. How many guests are there? First of all, we have to subtract 3 minus half. So 3 minus half, if you can see here, 3 minus half. So to subtract, we have to make the common denominator. So make it 2 here, right? Now they have common denominator, right? So we have 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2, right? Now I can subtract the numerator because now I have common denominator. So I have 5 over 2. That means this portion comes out as 5 over 2, right? Divided by 1 over 6. And we know that if fractions are dividing, we can change the next fraction, this fraction, flip it, and then change the sign of division into multiplication. So which fraction we have to flip? 1 over 6. So 5 over 2 multiplied by 6 over 1. And then we cut 2 ones are 2, 2 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. So there are 15 guests in Kathy's serving 1 by 6th of a pizza to each guest, right? So there are 15 guests in total. So one more time we will revise it, and then you can attempt any other word problem, and if you face difficulty you can email it to me to my email address s_shahid_ali@hotmail.com. Subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, thumbs it up. So what we learn is this thing which we have in red, we have to flip it, right? When there is a fraction, we have to flip it with the sign of multiplication. So we flip it and change the sign. So this was division. Now we have multiplication and we flip it. Here again, this is my division. I flip it, and then this is my multiplication. So this is how we divide the fractions, right? So hope you understand it thoroughly. Just practice few more questions, or if you have more questions, send it to me s_shahid_ali@hotmail.com. Hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button, and thank you for watching.